Hello viewer, here we will take the designs. I will explore the features and paint there. So then take the further designs to make an attraction. Use of paint on the other side. So there we have to use it. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. We will use the pen tool design here.